Guys, check it out. Made Charles lay the car out. Dude, this thing is insane. Like, it's literally the louvered fenders. Like, you can see the tire right there touching. That's so dope. This, I want to get this front bumper on my car. Like, should I get that bumper?
2 thumbs up, baby.
Oh, Rudy's back too. Rudy actually brought, I haven't even explained anything, but Rudy brought me in the Viper today. And he said he heard there was a barbecue going on, but it was the wrong kind of barbecue.
Dude, they're asking me to come and bring the meat, all the tortillas and all that stuff. I'm just like, bro, well, what do you guys have? They said they have the wood to start the fire.
To start the fire.
I'm disappointed, dude. Look at this.
The fire's already off. That's dope. So they're all like having some kind of photo shoot out there. Charles is right here. You guys already know Charles. He owns this Lambo right here.
Yeah.
And then Mitch is over there, acting like he's working. Lambo's right here. Got a rain light installed. Check it out. My wheels are right here. My new tires are right here. I'll explain what happened to this later. There's the Mitsubishi. This dude was lost right now. Look at that. I had to ask the valet to go pick his ass up.
Hey, dude, I ain't gonna lie. This city's confusing, dude.
No, it's like the easiest shit ever, but this guy gets lost. He was literally following me, like right behind me, and then all of a sudden he's just gone. I'm in valet. I'm waiting for him to come. He doesn't even come. He's like 5th floor. He's like, dude, I'm fucking on my car. I'm like hitting every speed bump, and then he's just right here. Look at him. He's just crying. Look at his ass right here. Why are you crying?
All I wanted to do was go to a carne asada, dude.
Carne asada, you're gonna get your carne asada right now, and then he's right here now. Sweet. Got some food. This guy, basic ass guy. Look at him. Basic as hell.
Extra wok.
Nah, dude, the California roll. What's that one? Dragon, and I don't even know what else I got, but
appreciate it.
We're gonna grub because we haven't ate literally all day. Here we hear it. You guys already know my luck. Dude said I was speeding when I was going with the traffic, and there was no radar ever picked up. Getting our last fuel pump right now until we get home. We're almost home. Anyways, guys, I didn't even tell you guys, I know you guys are probably wondering, but he says he pulled me over for speeding. Again, I have my freaking radar detector on. There was not once where the radar detector went off because he was right behind me, and he was aware because if I double tapped, that means cop, blah, 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 whatever. There was nowhere. There was like, how many cars around this, dude? I mean, we're on the 5.
We're going with the flow, but
literally going with the flow. When he pulled me over, he's like, I pulled you over for speeding. And then I was like, pulled me over for speeding, like with the traffic that we were going along, and he kind of stuttered a little bit, and he was just like, yeah, just we were speeding. And then but he, like, I swear to God, like, he was driving right by me, then he went right behind me. I knew he was there. No radar, nothing was on, nothing was going off. And yeah, apparently I was doing 96 miles an hour. I can like guarantee I was not doing 96.
all I gotta say is the government never lies.
The government never lies. Whatever. So ticket dismissers, I hope you're ready to fight this one. Put your boxing gloves on for this one, because yeah, that was kind of dumb. Hey, I thought your window didn't roll down.
I just pulled it up.
Dang, bruh. It's the manual windows, do we?
I'm gonna crank the windows up, please.
Alright guys, time to head home. And yeah, so let's try not to get any more tickets, because this apparently this unit in R3 that I got in here isn't working. But it's been working for every other cop though. Like, I've picked up 3 of them so far, except for that one. Ticket dismissers is already aware. He already knows. He's ready to go. He's already been informed. All right, should be coming up somewhere right here. All right, dude, later. Hit me up tomorrow. All right, later. Thank you. All right, guys, made it home. Like I said, I did get a ticket. He said I was doing 96. So stupid, because I was not doing 9 to 6. But anyways, guys, this battery is about to die, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to everybody that has been subscribing without me being active on this damn channel. But I feel bad for not uploading anything, because I should have just been uploading a little bit of something. But honestly, I didn't have the car, I didn't have a truck. My truck, the black DURAMAX, as you guys know, is still at the shop. It's getting ready for a special surprise, and I'm so sorry that that's been taking so long, but that's gonna happen. The truck that I had ordered, and I told you guys a few videos ago, I had placed an order on a new pickup. I have already ordered the wheels, tires, lift kit, all of that stuff. It's gonna go straight to get color matched. I have not mentioned to you guys what kind of truck it is. I did tell you it was a dually, as you guys missed my last dually, so I gotta get a dually back on the channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I am so happy to have my car back, and I cannot wait to make some more videos. You guys stay tuned. Please smash the subscribe button if you guys have not yet, and make sure to go to my Instagram, follow me on there at Gabe GTZ Vlogs, my Twitter at Gabe GTZ Vlogs, my TikTok, Gabe GTZ Vlogs, anywhere, Gabe GTZ Vlogs. Thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate you. Good night.